Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
So the woman called the lament to say the daughter-in-law bring paper come for her. The daughter-in-law not get respect for her. The daughter-in-law not love her. The son, the daughter-in-law carry the son come out for her body, and the son not gree respect her again. Even when the son supposed to call her because of the previous problem where they first get before, make the son call her, make like beg her or make call her as a mother. The son not gree call her. Now the woman where I bet Mona sorry, now my phone I just off. Mona sorry, okay, don't return back. So instead when the daughter-in-law supposed to call her, the son supposed to call her, the son not gree call her because the daughter-in-law don't put her for inside akara. That inside akara now wetin we dey call inside elu inside wanting inside that side. All the men are supposed to know now, and the women are supposed to know where inside that side be. Say because the daughter-in-law don't lock his son for inside that side, so the daughter-in-law not gree con her son not gree con answer her again because the daughter-in-law no dey respect her. So the son, if they join the daughter-in-law, they insult the son, they join the daughter-in-law, they insult her. So to sote now they go bring ayelala paper come for her. So I come to go listen to the daughter. Oh, the daughter-in-law said this. The mother-in-law don't fair try like how many times? As I hear 3 times. He don't fair carry her go native daughter, may they kill her or may they do one thing. Even to the extent one of the native daughter can't die for the matter. One of the native daughter can't die for the matter. So even to the extent one of the native daughter can't die for the matter. So another different thing where the woman don't try, but to the extent they still try to resolve them. So the mother-in-law still come visit her inside last year. I think inside last year, yeah, the mother-in-law come visit her. She received her well as a mother-in-law. Now she buy tickets. I mean her son buy tickets, anyone. So everything was fine. You know, everything was fine. So but they don't come nowhere.
Yes,
They don't come.
It's K.O.
So they don't come nowhere. The daughter, the mother-in-law, you know, they not quarrel. As they just reach that side, something small thing just happen. So misunderstanding just start. So all this, you know, the stories, anything about family, anything about mama, anything about papa, you don't need to, you know, just don't pray. Make the problem they escalate, because as the problem they escalate, now then you come they see different talk. Now so you do me, now so you not do me, now so you talk, and now so you not talk, and now so you do. Even little thing where it's supposed to just reach where they will just take play, forget. It will turn to problem. You know, even little something where they want to joke, it get where it go reach where the problem go don't start. It will come turn to they will come take them as true. Say okay, it be mean at the time where you talk to them. It be mean at the time where you talk to them. So now it cause them, it's better for that problem not to start. If you are a mother, all these things where they happen, so you know they happen, say because all these people, if they do this, all these people, we all they look at now, we are saying, hey, see what this one go do to your grandmother, mother-in-law. She didn't do it right. Oh, see what the mother-in-law go do to the daughter-in-law. She not do it right. Oh, look. We never reach that stage. Let us just pray not to be in these shoes these people are in now, because to their own, they don't know say na heavy mess now that they create. So they will just say maybe now so it just be say okay, we are just trying to make fame. If na famosity now that they fit they make, or whether I don't know whether na viewer, those things is really important for you to look for viewer. Anything where they confess that they use until they make. As for me, they don't know what that they build. These are things of generation unborn. You understand? So let me just start with the mother-in-law first, because now she be mother. Now she's supposed to, you know, take as a elderly person. Now she's supposed to take elderly person head, or elderly person says take all this matter before it can escalate reach like this. Iye call I believe say you be Bini. Iye though you reach to be my mother. So, but the truth have to be said. I come here, can't talk your own side as a mother, where you for go wrong. Because if you still be my mother, I will still tell you the truth, no matter what. So you see, all these things where don't escalate reach like this. So before it can escalate reach like this, there are some things where you say, Mama, oh well, my gumek be biere rundo vive. Gumek be biere rundo emono bieleme. Owo ka eni eto ma bo eto ma we o ma gume gbe biere irene bia iwe. You understand? No matter what your granddaughter want do you, this thing last year when you come greet on a granddaughter, now happiness now you take home as all of us see am as una portrait am for us. Oh now happiness now we take see your daughter-in-law go stand, you go say your daughter they cook. Even from the onset nobody grieve who believe say you be her mother-in-law, because you look good, you are really, you know, you really look nice. Nobody even felt believe, but with time everybody can believe, not true, not really mother-in-law. That one a +1 for your side. You take good care of yourself. You are a beautiful mother, and nobody will deny that. But one thing when it day where una way some mothers where una not understand. It get where pikin go reach, you go give a chance. Not the poke nose, they follow everything when they do. Not the one see everything, especially when they call the media. Maybe if your wife say, hey, I bet me go bring water. Madam. Maybe your wife go say, let me go check those children. No. Una suppose make you remove. You supposed to remove eye come off from that thing, because after you come from when you go visit them, stop it now. Nein, jetzt nicht. So after you go visit them that last year, we don't see any fights. You came in peace and you left in peace. Now after some time, after some months, now we call the hear problem. So now get problem. So at the end of the day, your daughter-in-law cry come and say, see what you be doing, see what you do. Now talk the whole thing over. When I talk the whole thing over, everybody still there on his own. So we got surprised now say this thing can't come out like this. That one are for social for your daughter-in-law own. What did she do? But mommy, I tell you as a daughter, as a mother, there are different ways when you talk, when you talk. When you want curse, you say God, whether God go punish her or any curse when you curse, but you added her generation to it. Mommy, may I tell you one thing? As you curse that curse, you say her generation. You are not talking to the mother. No. You are not talking to the sister or the brother. No. You they talk to your own son and the children unborn. Where that woman go born for your children. Now you can't curse that curse too. If you don't understand the gravity of the curse, where you can't curse. You say whether God go do anything. Anyhow, when you talk and say God go do him, you are talking equally to your son. Because anytime we headache take catch your wife, your son wife, and of which your son sit there with the woman, they never leave each other. If they don't leave each other, say you they curse her on her behalf for back. Even if you still cause generation, those cause is still there on top of your grandchildren enemy body. Because generation not the fruit where you bring come out from your own side. Now the fruit where come out from your own body, now be your generation. Not be the one of your papa and your mama. The day when you marry and the day when you start to the born, now be your generation, because you start your generation on your own. You don't start your generation already. So the day when you start that thing, the day when you cause that cause, when you they say her generation, but later you come they try to the differentiator, not be your children. No, yeah, as you just cause her, say her generation. Now your son and the children where your son born for, when she born for your children, for your son. Now you cause that cause to. Let's say the truth. A spade have to be a spade, but even your body language, person go even see and say they try to even talk to her and her children, because you can't mostly they single your children out of it. Say you are not talking to your children. Little you they put your grandchildren into it. Those your grandchildren, as you said, they put them. It was not the gravity was not enough there. The gravity was not enough. That's point one. Then two, you talk say she born children where their teeth, she born some bone teeth. She born some after how many months then they get it. Mommy, you see this life. Everybody get where he forget disability. If you not still get, give thanks to God. Because today they sleep, nobody know what tomorrow won't bring. If you go to a hospital, now you will see where people, where they for the sick, even from birth, people they born children, they born sickness. People they born children, they born disability. And some people, when the day when they bring children come life, now that day, now they go stay hospital, some go stay for 6 months, some go stay for 1 year before they go even discharge children, their children come house. So even day, when the day when they go even born their children, now you go even see person when he born pikin. When they see people where anybody where they anywhere, even the Africa, you will see some people they know they grow past as the day. Now so God take create them. Again where they go grow, they don't go grow past there again. All those our brothers and sisters where they know they grow past as they be, they are human. They don't be any. Now so God just take create them. So if your daughter-in-law born child with teeth, provided those children are okay, that is what your concern. So those things you don't even have to say it in media. Some people talk, the girl and winch. They say just born children, born teeth. Now say, hey, hold on. Because now you no go Benin, now you see what they do for Benin. Go to the hospital and see what is going on. Go to hospital and see what children they pass through for life. Go to hospital now children they born HIV. That kind of person and winch. Now children they go born, you know go feed the waka again. So the woman will born and winch. What if Oibo will born those kind of children? Who they will call that kind of person? They will say and winch. So if Oibo be born pikin born teeth, you will call him mama and winch. All those are life disability. You don't have to label somebody on that. It's life. If you go to YouTube, then you go see different body reaction, body sickness. So go get body go the pill. I don't see one picking right from birth. Would you stop that? Right from birth. Now so the boy body they peel. It they peel from layer to layer. It they peel. They go from birth till the boy can't die. Now so our body just be there. They get now so in mama they rap what they call it, they go use this to wrap all the body. Because the body they remove, they peel or gilet, body they gilet. Now more than I bought that one, she never plan it. Now people they born two twins, they go gum head together. Now human being I born them. Now people they born at the end of the day, the pikin go spoil for inside belly, then they go wash out away. And that time maybe the evil person where evil happen. So now person where really need pikin badly, you will call and which say eat the pikin. So mommy ask for that. That one is no go area. Anything weight picking now people they born children they born they will as they grow they come wheelchair they will start to they carry wheelchair to born picking just be prayerful and thank God say your own they are healthy. You born picking born it has nothing to do with it. It's just what God says and they are fine. That is what you need to know. You don't need to use and tell laugh any mother or use and tell call any mother saying I'm witch. Anything. Some people they will be say, you know, they see the sickness when they are picking the sick. So they get allergy. So they get ear problem. So they get different things. You know me say they are mama and witch. So if you're picking your picking born picking when he born and born it. Now so God say maybe. Thank God they are fine. That is the only thing. So that one here, you're not supposed to even talk and come out. You're not even supposed to talk and come out. Then point two, you talk and say anytime when your daughter-in-law take come out for media, you go they come out. No. These things you are doing, these things one they plant. So you don't know where you go for go land. May God let you grow old and grow gray hair tomorrow. Because anything where they media today, if they date till 100 years, people can still bring it out. Do you want your what do they call them, grandchildren, when they will grow tomorrow, they will come listen to waiting you they talk come out. So How do you want them to carry you? How do you want them to feel you? There are some things where people say, even this your son, as they don't say, no great take care of you, no great they answer you. If you remain a good mother and say, God, I put this woman for your hand, I'm not going to cry to any man. With time, those your grandchildren, and they will come take care of you. I don't see them. Even when their father know the responsibility of a son to take care of his own mother. Now those grandchildren, when you they neglect, so if from your body language, now those children I go come back tomorrow, can't take care of you. But now when you say you can't there inside, you can't carry and come out now. You can't let people know say, and if they come out, you go still come out. Just for you to get fame, just for you to get view. Yeah, this view, it will be, it might. I am not praying for that. I pray more that we settle this thing. It might be a tears tomorrow. Because when these children go grow up tomorrow and they see what their mother they do for me, their grandmother they do for media, it will not be pleasant at all. They're not going to thank you. They're not going to tell you saying, yeah, thank you very much. No. They're not going to greet you. So for you to come out and come they talk, even when the children, your daughter, they see your daughter in-law, they come out. If they come see they talk, you still say you will come they reply them. You know you don't need to do that as a grown-up mother, as a big elderly woman where you be. If your pikin marry, even you should see and say they fly for afternoon. Now waiting you that Bible you carry come and say na Bible now you decide. Why can't you pray for that Bible and let God vindicate you? Why can't you put this thing into God's hand and say, God, if this woman na tons of in my son's life, God, I begin to cause. Let time tell, let time heal. Let's know God, the God where they really they serve. Say they really they work. By you coming out to come and be replying, it not solve any problem. Rather, it they bring your name down. If they bring your family down, what will you gain from this? What will it come out from this? Nothing. Rather, it's going to be a shame and disgrace. So, I pray may God give you the zeal for you. If you should come out now and say, my child, my daughter-in-law, I forgive you. I want this thing to be a bygone. That will give you the blessings of your life that you will never imagine. For you to be coming out now, anything, maybe they will talk anything. Because now this kind of things, now I can't escalate to this rubbish. When we call all this paper of 18. I am coming there. Now all those kind of things, now I can't escalate to all those things now. Where come be say daughter-in-law. Come they bring paper, they come for mother-in-law. So you don't need to come out. And you don't have anybody to narrate your children to. No! You don't need to curse your daughter-in-law because the way when you take the curse that lady, now your son is dead. Don't forget. Anything where you do your daughter-in-law is equally doing your son because your son dead there with her. If your daughter-in-law they are still together and they are still in love as we see. We don't know because the social media now everything are called fake. So your son is still with your son is still with her. Any curse when you curse now, and it happens, say it really happened in her life. It really happened for her life. So anyhow, where she take home, may God not let her go mad, or may God not let her sick. Now your pikin now you put for stress. You don't put any other person for stress. Now your pikin now you put for stress because for him to be running around to find the way to cure his wife. Now your pikin, now you put that problem on. Then you want to talk another thing again, the point 3 or point 4. You say they don't achieve anything, they don't get paper, nothing. No, almost zero, almost sefe. Almost zero, almost sefe. Almost semi ya fefe, e baby rockba. Osalo boa ori e benia. No we are yatawe e mono bieleni. Iya semi ya fefe, we ya me rockba. E moni ari bieleni yakin. E moni ni ari bieleni vi yakin. Any more relevant. Take your leg away from there. Any more relevant. Those children where your son born, it's not relevant. People did this abroad. Before they will still see their paper, it go be 20 years. People did this abroad 15 years. People did abroad 10 years. So if your son never get your own paper after 12 years, it's not a big deal. Provided they are fine. Provided they are fine. So with that, at least you fair give thanks to God. Say at least they sick. Because best way they sick, not go talk of paper. Best way they sick, not go talk of house. You can see they together. So if maybe your son believe in wife, go do them as they do them for Germany where they dey. Definitely go for those to get the paper. But he said no, he stick to his wife and say anyhow where God wanted bring this paper, may God bring them. I will be with my wife. There is no blessings more than that. So for you to say, she come up because now people where I don't know as I will talk everybody gets his way of reasoning. Because as I listen to you, I just say I'm saying now only your son. Now you they part of, they part of your grandchildren. May I don't leave the wife because since I labor on your zen, so no need. You know they part of your grandchildren. Now only your son, now you can talk. But don't forget, say any cost where you cost. As the woman they suffer that cost, your son is equally into it. So children where they born. Now their children now they born, and it's more than paper, it's more than wealth, it's more than anything. Because also you know we more for one, for one, like I say we born do me or more for one. Pierce come. Best way they some people when they look for children now you go tell and say make it even give out in paper, may it take get picking. He go say if there is double paper when you go bring out, may it take get picking, go get them. So why person get 4 kids for you? You say never achieve nothing. What else you want may achieve? Which other thing you say make it achieve here? So I beg, men kuna they know how the kind of things where they come out for mouth. Because if you cause any time when you take verse, as you say you they serve the Bible, as you say Bible is your power, they cry to your Bible. Cry to your Bible. Let God tell God say this my pikin, this my daughter-in-law. I am not happy with her. May God come her from your son's life. May you they see him. With time, you go really, and if they come out, God go suffer. He go do them in a way where he say, they not go. That's your son go run back to you and say, "Mommy, I know what you have been telling me, but like this, it won't work." Even if they go separate, I pray for them not to separate. Not be waiting you talk, not be make them separate because I come here the year and I so on. Not be waiting you talk. And as you even they talk, so if they go not let them separate tomorrow, your son go even catch you double witch because he say now waiting you fed the wait for night come happen so you are destroying his life already. You then destroy life. So he make you a beg, not they curse your daughter-in-law. No, because the way you curse her. Now so that course they go round. It's inside. It's just inside that place. They come out there. It's still there with you because it's there. Your body, your son, her husband. For crying out loud, why must you come out on media? Why must you come out? You did everything. You carry her menstruation waiting. Now so you cook. Now so you do this one. But you left and it was fine. After some time, now the quarrel can start. After some time, now the quarrel can start. So this one make una way be mothers. Make una try, make una give una son. If you don't like your daughter-in-law, there is a way you will give her yes. Not before stress. There is a way you will give her yes. It not go concern you, concern her. But this one way be saying I say okay, as everybody come the media, so everybody want get view. Everybody want people go come look you, yes. People will come look you, you feel get 2,000. But after the video, after 1 year, after 2 years, after your children don't grow, after for you to come back as a grandmother for your children to embrace you, how will you feel? Wait, be say no one wants to even to see you. How will you feel? The time you will need them the most, when they will not be there for you, how will you feel? You are getting of age. Person fit do a king. You feel do everything. You are beautiful, you are nice, you look good. It won't last forever. No. Again, we go rich. You know, get power to do all these things again. For you to even receive the call of your grandchildren alone, it will be a blessing to you. It will be a blessing to you. So yeah, you did do it well. That is just the statement I will put here. You did do it well. As a mother, and as a Christian mother, you called yourself. There are just some women will still be in this your shoes. They will never come out for no reason. They will never come out for no reason. But you come out, you say anytime when they take come out, now you will take come out. It's not a good thing. No. This thing is going from one hand to another. It don't already start. Now so it they go. And the other thing, you want to talk. You say the woman don't take your children come up for your hand. You say the children don't take. You say the woman don't take your children come up for your hand. Come on this light for me. Go on this light. Why is it like that? Because person will say one person not good, second person not good, third person not good. Me I not to say no, ain't not good. When it make your children join your daughter-in-law begin to pursue you? Why? It's a question mark. It's a big question. What happened there? Because I believe that this same habit or this same character when you call a possess to the people of the world now you still possess to your children. When you make one or two follow your daughter-in-law, say we are ashamed. Everybody might come out now. Hey, you don't go bring paper. Hey, the boy is not good. Hey, no. Do you know what they have been dealing on inside? Even some of people when they talk and I say, why you go give paper? You even know if now you go even do the worst. Even some people when even they castigate them now. Some people don't even beat their mama. Some people don't even slap their mama. Even some don't do anything to their mother. So anytime when anything will make you do that one, because it not come out for media, so nobody know what you do. What it make you be sent? What it make you be sent? So sometimes they get where things they drag person they reach. When you go drag you reach there, you have no option again for you to just do anything. But after you don't do it, you come to say, oh, I wish I know how for not do this thing. So for this on this ground, you did behave like a real mother. I am sorry to say, it was not a good action at all. It wasn't a good action. You're not supposed to take them this way. And please don't come out. Because here we all come out during one. Anyway, with this your age, you go say where small pikin go come out, you go come out. Who are you competitive for crying out loud? Your children, your biological children. We are not talking about stepchildren here. We are talking of direct son of yours and his wife and his grandchildren. You don't even want to talk. You say when you come, the children sleep with you. The boy wait there inside, whether he's not near you or wanting. Hello. Are you not telling me say, okay, if some sleep with you, some not sleep with you, say their mama separate them. The one will go sleep with you and the one will not go sleep with you. No. It was not a good thing at all for you coming out to come and be telling everything. No. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. I have where the spade have to be said. Because if all these things, if person not the way go correct, everybody just say one side, begin to look at one side, things go the spoil. Things go the spoil. Make una wa try a family problem non wa mu la owa. Ame wo se o mani ayaka mi egbere kon na ya be vie bayela la geva. And I do me where you and your son I call the deal with bayela la. That's is downgrading and is an insult. And it's a shame. What do you want? People wait for they envy you as a mother where get such son. What do you want make they feel today? Which eye you say make they look you? People wait people they envy you say I wish na me be this mama, this person so. Oh, this woman, she's really blessed. And they can't see what you now they exhibit for media. How do you want people to look at you? Even people where you feel say maybe if you are the one of the people where be say that they look for your downfall, those people where you be say, oh, that they look for my downfall, wait till you want me they take you now. How do you want me they rate you now? How do you want them to rate you? So you didn't do it well, Iye. No, you didn't do it well. You didn't behave like a real mother that you're supposed to be. A real mother and a grandmother. So for other of your children, for your other children to follow your son, your daughter-in-law, for your sister Jennifer, you are welcome. Magnificent, you are welcome. Osato, you are welcome. So for your other children to follow your daughter-in-law, waiting make your other children to follow your daughter-in-law. There are now something I they see for them. They don't just carry because in the normal note. Now your children supposed to even they beat your daughter-in-law. But if you now come out to say she take your children come on for your hand, you go and look your step, look back what you have done wrong. Also, just look back, may you see what you don't, what you do wrong. No, don't push am only to this woman alone. You yourself, where you for do wrong, where you not do well, may you go tick back, may you try, may you dey restep your step again, because if not, things go spoil. Because even the other children, when you now talk, say your wife take now, they are still grandchildren there. So if those children now at the end of the day, that one go still telling grandchildren, his own children say, see what your grandmother they do. Those children even transfer of aggression go, they will transfer it to you. Say our wicked grandmother. No, you didn't do it right, Mama. No, you didn't do it right. Social media not they cause problem. Your family problem, especially now when now no say now be just try and trash it inside. If small pikin they do am, if maybe now your own daughter go bring paper, or now your own daughter-in-law now go bring paper come for your pikin, other of your pikin, they go they hear, they go even they want make this woman talk about it, but not to talk of you. Before your daughter-in-law go bring paper come for you, and nobody, and you they talk now say, hey, your brother tell your son make he call you, your the wife say make he not call you. Waiting will come make your son, because all these things when they do so, if they provoke the man the more. If they provoke him. For you to come out, come they follow your pikin, they talk, say as if they talk, follow your mates, they talk. For you to come out to come they follow your pikin, they interact for media, as if they follow another. This I could not. I don't feel comprehend them. May I fair leave your own for one side. Jama first. Jama first. Abokia. Iya we emina mieu ve baza. Abi ve gbokoko abi mi o ve gbewe. There is nothing too big where person no dey fit dey absorb, or where person no dey fit dey resolve. I have since when I dey watch all of una for media. Now you, I see that's how you join people where be say they absorb something. If they absorb something, you they talk come out from out. You feel say maybe na fool now you they talk to, or na person where not get brain now you they talk to. No, people are listening to you. People they listen to you. Wait till you talk. You say before you go give paper to your mother, to your you go bring paper, go give your now your family. Now you go bring paper, go give your mother-in-law. Clap for yourself. Clever lady. Clever lady. So you don't feel say na fools now you they talk to. Okay, if your family go give paper to your mother-in-law, who go give the other lady the paper? Because the whole thing happen at the same time. And you don't say this woman don't they try to kill you for how many years ago now? This woman don't label you witch for how many years ago? You don't want to answer any other person apart from your mother-in-law. Because if she talk everybody go believe because she's inside the family. Yes, it's true. You are right on that. No, watch this one. Sit down. So you are right on that. You are right on that. But not forget, say not be Mugu, not be you they talk to. Don't forget, say not be fools you dey talk to. Your family go give your mother-in-law paper. Because say she dey label you, wetin she dey label you. Because say she want kill you. Because say she want bury your enemy. So you don't want make them bury your enemy alive. Where you there for many years? When this woman tell they pest your life, why you not go give her this paper? Why now? Wetin not make you go give this woman this paper for so long? Why now?
Mama, cow.
Wetin not make you give this woman this paper for so long? Why now? And you say, now so, you know what? You don't know when they take do am.
Mama, cow.
No, go out. You don't know when they take do am. Not be you send them. Who send the one where they go give the other lady? Who send them? Okay, you do your own to the other lady. Now, your family go do their own to your mother-in-law. Wetin wake you up? Wetin just carry wake you up? Because be like say you dey sleep ever since. Wetin the woman dey do you or wetin she dey tell you ever since? You know, come into your, it don't make sense to you. Now the thing come make sense to you. Why now? See, wetin you do so, my sister, I tell you. You see all these things of a thing where we dey do sometimes. When we don't dey know say sometimes it's not a good thing to do. As you don't plant this seed where you plant, so you don't plant them. It don't germinate now, ba? Your mother-in-law will go answer that case now. Or if according to your mother-in-law, you say what do they call an settlement now that they find. Iya wara sile gbeje cut they cut any ki o awe baka e cut keka o ni ki o re bonoro na yunuta iya we degine de na ya o si ya gegbe. Not to talk of the one way be say na ogudugu as they talk. I never reach there, I don't know as they be. They say na ogudugu na get there arisile gbeje wane when I expect it where ya we settlement in here no ke na gba. How you go take do that settlement where you go take complete? How? This plants where you just plant, so if you know, okay, I grow forever. And this even okay, now is going to be growing. I know Zagadabo. These are generation of born. Thank God you still get boy picking. I feel tell you now, say this paper where you won't give your mother-in-law. So tomorrow, the same thing will still come back to you. Tell me, God forbid. If you talk and God not they forbid, you know why? Because they say anything you do, you shall receive it tomorrow. This thing where you do now, you feel say no, I take care of my children. Where? No, my children will never do that. I go just leave my children, make they get fair life, make they get this one. Look, me I tell you, yes, but if you don't want a son, only what me be. If you don't want a son, only who we are what me be. Person way advise you, may you go do this thing, you went too far. No, you went too far. You went too far. Best way I advise you this thing. I shake my head, that's why I talk and reach. Oh, I know advice where. No way I didn't buy la gijo da fu where. He joke me, I know you where. He joke me, I know where here is my lover. If you and that man can't quarrel tomorrow, sit talk and say, God forbid, you never quarrel. 100 years is not forever, but I pray, may God let it be well with you. I make a husband and wife, you cannot get where they quarrel. So if you and this man can't get case tomorrow, una can't quarrel tomorrow, who you go run to? Who you go run to? This same man wey stand with you so, wey tell you so, may you do this thing. This same man, okay, ya gbo kawa kwa wege. You do na yari bayela la gijie. Wa vie, uswe blood, uswe la je. Ya vie. He might still love you, una go settle. Not be say una wan quarrel more and leave each other. But for he go use almost to ya gbo kan. what that's what life now. Why my 15 years? Why my 30? Okay, let's say 15 years. Why my 30 years? Why my 40 years? May God let you now grow and grow and now grow gray hair. One day, okay, I'm dead like that. I love social media na donana. There are other life after social media. There are other life after social media. Best way advise you, may you go give your mother-in-law paper of a juju, or anybody will go advise you, may you drag your mother-in-law to court. It's not a good thing. Africa or Caro, I wish she might so young cat bishop da fian. Not be new thing. But the worst thing of it is, don't let your anger drive you to a place where you will relent tomorrow and look back and say, God, why did I do it? Or we can also say, you will be ashamed of yourself for doing this. But not bad to my way. In no time, God will still vindicate you. In no time, you go even the thank God say, oh, stop shouting. But wait till make you can't do it now. You do and you feel say maybe you just do it because you just want to do it. Or because she have been pesting you. Not be today she start to pest you. Not be 1 year, not be 2 years, not be 3 years. Why now? Wait till come make her so important now. Say you must go give this paper to your mother-in-law. Wait till make her so important. Wait till make her so important. Say if you don't do it now, then nobody go believe you. Say you not be bad woman. And as you can't do it, and not people will be not even want look your side. Everybody can't look your side. You born boy, you born girl. When you give money, you're not supposed to go to that length. No, you're not supposed to go to that length. You went too far. It's not a good thing to do. Even if your Pekin stupidly join you, when you go do that thing. Now you're supposed to say, you say person accuse you. Another person accuse you. Say, see what they say your mother-in-law talk. Of which you don't already know. Say this your mother-in-law don't even do the worst of it. This your mother-in-law don't even fair do the worst of it. When you yourself, you know for many years ago, say she carry you go native daughter 3 times to try to kill you. And voice record, we still use our ear to hear where our own daughter of your mother-in-law can testify and say, yes, your mother-in-law sent her to native daughter to kill you. There is evidence. Why didn't you take that action at that time?
Cool boy.
Why now? Where now only 9 person accuse you. Say, see what they say your mother-in-law talk. You can't go take juju. You say no, be you take her. You say now your family, you get family. So that your family, they not fed there before. Where they fed there before? You say no, be you doing. But you go take paper. You go give another person, another woman. That one the normal thing when they do to each other. But your own mother-in-law. You say now your family. So you want to tell me say your family not gonna call you. You not gonna discuss with your family. They just wake up say, hey, what ovi manana? Is your door work pope? When we man ya can report in my hand. Okay, guys, okay. Now how many years ago? Last year now you report to them. Now they can't get the audacity say okay. And now we want wake up now. Oh yeah, may we go tell our may we go make sure say we go may we go make sure say we will go give paper, give this woman this paper. Wait till somebody go carry her mother-in-law go juju. Yes, now. So now you can't wake up now. Now you can't wake up. You can't say now this juju wanted they effective. Now you want to vindicate yourself. Now you want to let people know say no, you are not the person that they are labeling you to be. You did do it well, my sister. You did do it well. Ikiawo no work boy on ikiawo because on can ikiawo asafia for ikimi work boy na. Ikimi no kwa boy. Anokia wa attacking generation of born no. who are most to receive my dear. Everyone what I say. Everyone what I say. Who are receive. There is no two ways about it. You are going to receive it. Whether now or later, you are going to receive it. You are going to receive it. But you will see now, since when this thing happen, now you are not happy with yourself. Let's call a spade and say the truth. You are not happy with yourself. You are not happy. You never, no peace of mind. No peace of mind. Anybody where thought themselves, anybody where give you this idea, if not your husband or if not your husband's sister or if not everybody say why are you bayela lagie, she cannot be your enemy forever for crying out loud. I understand you. I know the pains you pass through. I know what you call the talk, but you would have lived everything for God. You would have lived everything for God. Something don't happen to me myself. When I thought say no, I call the 5 person when wife go take a bayela me. Now me, I call all those things. I know even I come my mama so way. What can you la? Now get you know after get drinking or doing I come person this woman. I don't even know who how even they find this person again. Oh, I remember. As I call the 5 people, they go away. Why help me? You see, I don't even remember this people. But now the thing called a call to me now. I narrate this now just stranger from hand to hand. Because my mother said no, I don't get anybody from my family where go help me do that kind of thing. I can't call my people, I can't call this woman, I can't beg. See what it happen. This woman sat me down and she tell me, say my sister, he said don't go. But did they pepper me? No, this lady too do. He don't concern me. Now so I they do. Could you believe after? Let me just say, if you still long after 1 year, I was not thanking that woman. I don't even know which woman be that again. I don't even know. I couldn't thank God. People, even all my friends, when be tell me say, now you be the troublemaker, you're all too much. Everybody we are now seeing it say, this person I be the troublemaker. Now I say, now they talk so. Who now show so now they say yes now. So but now me now na first talk say I be bad person. That is time shall tell. Everybody can see the real truth. The real truth can't just they unfold out. You would have not do that. You went too far. Leave God, make God judge for you. Leave God, make God vindicate you. Now you felt there, even when you felt when she felt when una felt carry on herself come out. Even when you can't talk your side, she talk her side. Now you there ever since. When you can motivate you, because okay, you can't be ayela la shera. You give this woman, you go give your mother-in-law. Maybe other people still the way you go still give. You still talk person name when you want still give again. My dear, it's not right. It's not right. It won't take you nowhere. Oh yeah, what yakine ude. Oh why ya yakine ude. Oh ikiyokbia ogikiyokwo. Ogikiyokbia ogikiyokwo. Oh yeah, what yakine ude. Uma we say, o no tabo egu wa ya be nani. Am say oh Lord, I don't want to use harsh word for the person. Am say oh Lord, you did do it well at all. You did do it well. You can imagine if you have a lovely mother. I am sorry you said you never grew up with your mother. It's part of those things, and that will not be waiting person need to ask. But if you really have someone you love, when you call your mother and you go here, say they say he picking son, he picking a wife, his son, daughter-in-law of that person where you really love, go bring a bayela lakon for your loved one. How will you feel? How will you feel? How will you feel? The children feel join you today. It might be say, when I me mo kuno jo ije ami je va ijo pa ami. Ami je va. O be ke no se ba kwe. O ye beta ma wewe, ye ma wa we. Wa be rudivie no be deba we ni. Rudivie no deba we o da fu we no ro. O me ni agwe we mulelegbe. Awe rudo ni o pa no rawo ni. Wa we no, I will not do it. Egi akpe wejo ko nda be mi wo ni okwepu wejo. Oni okwepu weyo.
Okay.
Awon mi wo ni okwepu wejo. You will for say no. I know what do because of you will join me. You will for say no. So for that one to come out, come talk, say yes, my mother really sent me. My mother really sent me to native doctor. May I be taking you? I got 3 native doctor. One die for your sake. I warn you, pano. I warn you, pano. I will not do any of that thing. As an alebe we any or yegbe mane.
Yeah.
As in we label we one label we any or yegbe mane. Yegbe mane ni a. So mane bere ni e ma no wa be sad we ni ye wu we say. E ma na be sad we that same as in we matter on ati we ni a kan ati we. Ati on ati we na ati we ni a kan ati we.
K.O. Gewalt? K.O. Der Grundschau wieder anmachen.
So my way say my sister, my way say, my the way say, I will not give you that moral. I will not give you that power. Or I will not give you that idea. That person, I might say, oh Lord, boy.
Mama, it's not fertig.
I might say, oh Lord, boy, and you will regret it. Go and mark it. What I regret it. It's just that for when I first tell her say in the year 2020 say in son-in-law go bring paper come for her. Or when you go no boy will not care. And then na money. So if somebody tell you now say in 20 years to come say you will get this thing back when you do so. When we carry fear back for and no wahala. Mommy, all this God forbid in Atana. Amen. God, don't do things that is in that aspect. Now God go forbid that for you. If you do things when you get to that aspect, God will forbid every rockman. I always tell some of my friends when will they talk some kites, I go tell they say, look, this the one that they do so. See what it go happen because say God forbid. No. When you tell some people the reality, they're gonna say God forbid. Walk in it and let God forbid it for you. If you don't walk in it, God don't will forbid that for you. So my dear, first say God forbid. Look at ya warm up in look at ya win slow. But wa mi ebegbe. Wa mi ebegbe. So people when they talk and say, I work with a you wear, I work with that one you wear, who wear, me ate, wakara, stop. Curry, ugly say, wash your hands. Ugly say, almost said, the boy, what doy. E kukuga o salo bwana bless oma. O sanojo o say ya wuwe. O ma ya wo ma be ona jo desi ya we. O sanojo we ya wuwe. O ma ya wo ma be ona ya hiuke beto na be ama no that star. O sanojo e nunu ya wewe. O ma ya wo ma be ona be ko be wo ni no ni be ko be camp because e salo bwa wa be gwaloji. E salo bwa wa be gwaloji. So all day now, why can't we be all I don't believe on a bone, no. I don't believe on a bone. If you know, some of what we are blessed, but she's trying to spoil it. She tried to spoil it. Oh my yeah. Where Tara Zeno, Edu Kori, Kori, Jama first lady, eti deba well. But why we tomatoes? Do one man, none already at a garlicky. No way the Arubara, no way the buy. My dear, Lord, we are above you, no guardian because what dinner. Restaurant, no mammy lock your door. I want me a bay, God just did it like that. So we have nothing to ask God for that. What I really love, may God help them. E just a lot boy so wa beg o ko wa ye komi we are no we what that phone na me begbe if you know wa we go along no wa we make e happy wa we nihin every year mane blacks my atie azeno juju person no Everything is no juju. There are stars. Even sorrow those alopo wabeje or this your wabe ya where every rockba yo wedding yo hore but to alopo wabeje this wabe ya where moahi and yawe. Even no wabe me no wabe mose wa mose for kun ya soto wage actress. Even the so me dobo. We no alopo we no wabe ya making her happy. If you know wabe making her happy so that you love you near ya high blood pressure. Also alopo wabe unia. Also, no way, we don't only beg where it's not a do or die affair with a bottle or with a bomb or with a piece of life. So if I want to be nice on I'm on door now, it's just part of it. So as far as I'm concerned, boy, I'm mother for it. There are true love, yes. But just that the guy is not my here or no wow. Uma here. So my brother, over to you. Uma here, my brother. Uma here, I miss you so much. I miss you so much. In any way is painful. No myself and your mama understand. Best way don't reach there. I understand you perfectly well. When mother they do some kind of things where be said. You, if you even see yourself, all your hobby, you just take knife, maybe you take cut in neck. Don't do it. Don't do it because anything you do to your mother, to the children will definitely do it to you. Children will do it to you. So just because of those children, when you know, say you get, you're supposed to be bearing. I know it's painful. I know, but you, as you hire when we stand there, they all wear as a man. When we try, when we be an issue, when we don't react. I know, you will pass through. I can understand. Stop it. I can understand. But you would have not went too far because you will not tell me when you don't know when your wife went to Juju to go and bring paper for your mother. Most times say money ya fefe. It be as they get. It be as they get. Umaya, my brother. It's why like you the way you go on with your family, you don't care, you are just doing it. But this one you just go do so now 0/100 you did. And better go and relent your step. Okay. Try to make peace with your mother. It won't take anything from you, my brother. It won't take anything from you. I know it's painful. Okay, come and sit down here.
Okay.
I know it's painful. I know it's painful what you are passing through. What you don't want to see as a mother, you are seeing it. I know it's painful. But don't take that aggression. Don't move that way. Any a chance in the outsider. Do can deal with each way, deal with her mercilessly. She's your mother and you have every right to talk to her. But egela de media when we hit to see le bella diana no. Egela diana. Wama we say, we give who we momo, Uma we say, my dear, you didn't do it right. My ya, Uma de ya to, my ya. Uma ya, Oma no time we go ya, we go mani, else we. Is you work but no ya every now and then. Is you work but no ya every now and then according to her. So don't let her. Don't. The outing don't already spoil. I don't know where una will for start this una matter again. The outing don't already spoil before you escalate. Also, so kind there are some problems. You just have to tackle it. If you just they come, try and tackle it before it pass. Because stage so na egi gap dology. It already pass. I don't know how now take any which way where you know so now take settle this matter. Make una settle am. If it's warrant for you to come to media and say, "Mommy, I am really, really sorry." My brother, do it as a man. Do it. It won't take anything from you. Rather, it will bring you a blessings. Then you know how to move with your mother. Anything you want to media. If other things they carry people, they come out for media. Not be you and your mother and your wife. No. Because wajena wa vivi wajone. If you walk wa la on e forget to pa eva wa ko yen be do a social media person. Eni ya wa be asam wala dian wa be agbu wa bo wa ye ke bi bai. I don't know where like mother like son like daughter like brother. Wa vi an la diane. Eh? So these are things sometimes na evil things wey be say I be even come dey look and say no even good make family evil too much for this thing. No even good make too much. Because anything wey come dey happen na inside media na go come dey. Enje na go ebo awa fi a contact. Iye wa ko fi peke. Everybody go just go away. Our own people they will go come they put am make for the younger work. You didn't do it well, oh. Umawe say. So to your own sister, when they say una take joint body, my sister, you would have also behaved like a mother and a sister to your brother. Well, except you never knew. But your brother no fit to say no. But if you as a sister, you see you don't know, so be it. But please come in now and do the needful. Try your possible best. Because you see the famosity of this social media, so and they don't already know now. It don't they give you now. No be that one. It don't bring anything. No, it don't bring the joy of family. No, it don't bring the joy of family. Oh. Tomorrow, all these kind of things where you can't be a die no matter. It's not good to be. Maybe person can't self join her. So my people. Waiting I know. Now so I talk and reach. Iye, I beg. No, they come out for your children again. It's not a good thing. I beg you in the name of God. La wo. Hey ladia. Anything ni aniriu mwe babo we ni ya pray ni ya. Eritie boni ya. Eritie be generation. You are making a very big mistake. A generation if you no matter what, we settle is cost of war. We settle Jama first lady, Oja. Do de we nu ya ohun even when na ya serie e bijo do yun re do de we bo menu do nu ya ohun wa je we ya we wu ki o ni ya ohun ya we nu ene then we ti do de mi la wa gbe to make peace wo e devi owe wa ono se wa ono na ni wa se e devi owe do de bo me. So you know, ya neru so jo ya neru ni ne denu mu ahia. E devi obe. Emila ni hi egbe wa oko ya nemi e weso no reba ni na ya seri e bo e no. Ti e menu gume ki egwe ni egwe na ya seri uki. Ni meke na ahia ni. Mo. Iyan gu ki order for ye jukegbe. Iyan gu ma wo ni the tomatoes, the garlic. I mind where a garlic I know and the garlic is very good for the body. The garlic, Nuria Rubara, who want look go the bay of viewing. Osaya wewe, Moakia, but the character now, try and stop it. Try and stop it. Mommy, we after 4 children, look at the way I look. Now lie, sometimes your mind is not at rest. That is why you are getting dried. No good sleep. Your mind is not at rest. Stop it. Oh, what do mana gajo? I have where war. Oh, what do na do or that? Because in the what does see na yakin? Huh? Oh, no imagine no what do mari masena na 90 generation for crying out loud. Oh, no imagine what do mama sona. Sometimes if you see where you are going and you dey see red flag, my people mama come out there before these things go come they escalate to big things where come they escalate to so. Come out there. You come me single mother and I'm happy. Nobody go come out cause generation. Error. I don't want to born generation. Generation, even your children's children, the children they will born, the children are born. Eh? You know, if you cause generation, maybe you say that mama now you the cause. No, if mama not be generation. Now the children where born and the husband, anything we get to attach to her. Now it be her generation. A monoma ever. Innocent children what here born than ane. Eh? Aventi ana wa do tie ga de seki. Yeah? Do that way no get ya ohun. When I said a boy mo go no when it tell you ma we ya tell you ma we ma mo e go no do no kia ya ohun. Wa we say wala ho wa gi ma we say if you don't see a problem, young ladies, if you are going into a relationship and you say this relationship be as it gets, now you see some people go say mama not like me, I bet me I just off fair come out. They know what they are doing. You don't feel a relationship where family don't like you. Who way because what that for me love you? Again no do asin or that for we love you. We reach that for te bono give you. Huh? You just that for te bono give you. It's not supposed to be so. It's not supposed to be so. Stop it. So my people, I did it. So my people, now so I know I'm rich. So like go come on away next time. Now maybe that woman where they say goat, where they say cow, where they say everything sellable. Now you sell a ball, whatever. And they sell all of them. So please order from my side. Warabu do na enebu biomo. Nijo dot na ne or anything. To there we will bomb any Wara have a problem with each other for or each other for if other for a no. Do there way why I said boy I just be la said I the when na ya said you ne then I do them na ya wear a piece. Why do there we but if you don't say you get problem with anything that get to do with in-law, husband, mama-in-law, papa-in-law, sister-in-law, anything in-law, why kwa de do there way why beg all wa win annoy. Do that way, Sagion, Yahweh, Sagion. Well, the next time we party na Yahweh, even I have a way, you have a consult, have ancestors, you have a time even na Yahweh. Wow. Now we're going to say the video na gear, no making up baby. Why I say thanks for being here. And me again, our sister, our friend, and some people's mother. So till I come your way next time, may God bless you. And may God continue to bless all of us. And may we never make any mistake that would give us sleepless nights. May we never make any mistake that would make people to curse our children. Please, protect your children from every iniquities. Protect them. They are the only thing you can ever have. Now they be the only thing where you go ever have. Not be money, not be house, not be anything. Our children, because why don't call my son? He won't talk about my son. A social media that was hey, all of the just they dance up and down. They want no everybody want to be the best. Hey, call my son. Or they can also say social media. Hey, your real life is waiting for you out there. So your children is your real life. Please protect your children in any which way. Eggie no a side or outside Diana Ataya Taloya Lawa. A side eggie few musical. It came a message now 2 weeks ago. Night here born more. Huh? You never watched that video, go watch her. I've do this video last 2 weeks. Because of the way you curse your children. So please be careful. Wait till they come out of our mouths. May we be careful. So thank you very much. And may God bless you. Love you all. So see you again next time. I remain your girl. That woman where they sell goat and cow and rice and beans. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye yo.